FBA sellers who have products eligible for Ships in Product Packaging, or SIPP, can use the SIPP enrollment page to enroll and manage their SIPP inventory. If you're not sure if you have SIPP-eligible products, look for the Seller University module, Introduction to SIPP, which covers how to find your SIPP-eligible products at sellercentral.amazon.com/SIPP-enrollment, and also goes over SIPP packaging guidelines. Access the SIPP enrollment portal at sellercentral.amazon.com/SIPP-enrollment to see which products Amazon recommends for SIPP enrollment. These recommendations are based on ASIN characteristics such as weight, size, and material. ASINs are organized by product groups containing ASINs with similar characteristics and packaging. For each group, you can see the applicable stores, the details you need to provide to enroll this group in SIPP, the amount you can save per unit through SIPP, and the actions for you to take. For example, Teresa sells raincoats and is interested in enrolling them in SIPP. She can see that 11 of her raincoat ASINs have been grouped together. Teresa clicks on Edit Product Group and Enroll to see the list of ASINs. If the primary ASIN is already certified, Teresa can certify all secondary ASIN variations, such as raincoats in different colors, in the product grouping without testing them. If the primary ASIN is not certified, she will need to test only the primary ASIN to enroll that specific product group. From here, Teresa can search by ASIN number for additional ASINs that she wants to add to the group, and she can decide to remove any ASINs that she does not want to enroll. Once Teresa has confirmed that the right ASINs are in the group, she clicks Add Details to Enroll. The next step is to select the packaging type and provide testing documentation. Be sure to follow packaging guidelines and complete SIPP testing before moving forward. Teresa selects flexible packaging since her raincoats are packaged in bags. The next step is to select the type of test performed on one of the ASINs in the group. If the product meets the guidelines for an ISTA 6 lab test and you have that documentation, select that type of report and upload the lab report for one of the ASINs in the group. In Teresa's case, she selects Self-Test since the ASINs in her group are less than 50 pounds, not fragile, liquid or sharp, and have a diameter greater than 1 inch, so she was able to perform the test herself. She attaches the photos she took when she performed the test on one of the ASINs in the group, and then clicks Confirm and Continue. The final SIPP enrollment step is to confirm the date the ASIN will be ready for enrollment. You can select today's date or one in the future. Teresa's products are ready to go, so she selects today's date and clicks Confirm and Continue. Teresa now saves money on fulfillment fees since she doesn't need additional Amazon packaging for her orders. Reviews for the raincoat now include positive feedback about reduced packaging materials. She can come back to the SIPP enrollment page to manage existing SIPP inventory and enroll new groups of ASINs.